Welcome back, folks. Yeah, we're letting the block gunk out, de-gunk. Wasn't much oil in it. I mean, you could see down there, nothing came out of the oil pan when it was flipped over, so this is all coming out of other places. I kind of doubt this engine has had any servicing. Like, the head gaskets are original, so I don't think it has a whole lot of miles on it. It's also flat tappet, and they look really good. No signs of wear. I'm going to pull out all the lifters later. I'm surprised they're not falling out, actually, now that I think about it. But I'm just letting this drain out, and then we're going to pull the pan off later, and we're going to see what kind of block it is. 2-bolt, 4-bolt. I guess people like the 2-bolt mains because the journals, is that the right word, are a little more stout. They don't have as many holes in them for the bolts, so some people prefer the 2-bolt as opposed to the 4-bolt, but we'll see. Either way is okay.